respected Vice Chancellor, Central University, Mizoram, with his wife and so-called the mother, other dignitaries present of the dais, and most importantly, young generation of the country. But what is the unique thing among all of you? I am looking the faces of all the young girls and boys present in this hall, representing more than 24 states of the country. My dear friends, Dr. Dekha already even finished his deliberation from Assamese. I would like to start from Assamese. Swagatam. Amar Gorloi Apunak Swagatam. The respected word in the Assamese. Another, the respected word in the Khasi, I am already belonging, my university is belong from the Khasi communities. Anga Padyang Sangbhaya Fichavarra. Second tribal of the state, Meghalaya, the Garo. Because commonly you already studied about 3 tribals in Meghalaya, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. In Garo, the word for the welcome, Frignam Sakantikodrim Chaksawa. And the Manipur, Yam Nun Gaire. Yam Nun Gaire. Tripura, Faikoham. One word is sufficient for the welcome. Faikam. And the IPS already told about you, the Madakyam in Tamil Nadu. What is the meaning of this word? And what we are? Hum log kya hai? What is the meaning of this word? And why we are feeling all the kinds of word in our life? And what is the importance of this word in our life? Another thing would like to connect with the northeastern part of the country. One very famous word we always use to welcome each other with the folded hand, Namaste. And with the abbreviation of the Namaste, with the abbreviation of the word Namaste, you can feel all the 8 states of the Northeast. N-A-M-A-S-T-E. First and last word, North, East. Yan and E. Are you agree with this? The Yan stand for Nagaland. A stand for Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. M, Mizoram, Manipur and Meghalaya. Then S, Sikkim and T for Tripura. So with the spelling of the Namaste, you can feel the essence of Northeast. Another thing, Dr. Dekha, I just remembering the one saying which is already taught my teacher during my school days. Dekha. Do you know the meaning of the Dekha in Hindi? Dekha 10 hai kilo हजार हेक्टो से समझो 100 बार. This is a very common saying.
Spelling नहीं है, spelling अलग है.
Dekha is Dekha 10 hai, mean 10 times more. That's why today, Dr. Dekha spoken about the, even connect with the other part of the country, that is Bangladesh. Today is not part of the Bangladesh. Some mistake has been did by our ancestors. We have the chance to correct this mistake in future. And definitely, If the young generation of the country are ready to think this, hopefully up to 47, maybe it is happened. Another word and sentence used with it, what BR? Anyone in position to set that? What BR? Because during the deliberation, number of students raised the number of questions. Some are related to the direct problem, some are related to the regional problems, and some are related to the national problem. That's why I am asking, what BR? Anyone? So I can say that with the social definition, we are also an animal in this beautiful universe. But why we are the social animal? What is the meaning of the social animal? Are we behaving like that? If we really behave like that, none of the problem shall be arises in the future. Generally, we are not behaving like that. हम अपने आदतों में उन चीजों का अनुपालन नहीं करते हैं. That's why number of times of problems arises in different stages of our life. क्योंकि our life is very small in this beautiful universe. हमारा जीवन इस पृथ्वी पर बहुत ही सूक्ष्म समय के लिए है. And you have the capability to calculate your life in your tips. How many knows about the average life of a human being in our country at present? 70.23 or 25 like that. Earlier it was 65 to 66, but presently 70. And why? Due to development of different kind of facilities in our country. So we have only the 70 year, and you can calculate your 70 years in a second, in a minute, in an hour, in a day, and in a year. It's only depend on you how you are going to utilize your timings. जो 24 घंटे एक दिन में है, वो सिर्फ आपको ही नहीं मिला है, इस पृथ्वी पे पैदा हुए उस हर आदमी को मिला है. Either the peon of this country or the prime minister of this country. किसी को 21-26 घंटे मिले हैं? नहीं. फिर what should be your role or what will be your role in the future, or to shaping the country or shaping the future of the Bharat? हमारा रोल क्या होना चाहिए? आपका रोल क्या होना चाहिए? You have asked the several questions that is concerned with AI. और महाराष्ट्र में अगर इस AI शब्द को यूज करें तो दिस इज अ वेरी स्वीट वर्ड. AI. I means mother. So AI, we are just using this word to call her mother, respect the mother. और हम all of you are just like ask the number of questions to an IPS officer. What will be the role? What should be the role? What is the role of AI in shaping the administration, shaping the maintain the security of a human being, either child or the girls? But do you know really the power of the girl?